There's something timeless about a home that blends elegance with calm simplicity, a place where modern architecture meets the softness of nature, and every space feels intentionally designed for living beautifully. Today on Sephia Spaces, we're stepping inside a stunning modern Mediterranean home that perfectly balances clean, contemporary lines with classic European charm. From graceful arches and cascading greenery to bright open interiors filled with natural light, this home feels both luxurious and welcoming. Let's take a full tour, starting right from the street. Street view. From the street, the home immediately stands out with its elegant Mediterranean presence. The soft white stucco exterior creates a bright, refined canvas, while the tall, arched windows introduce a sense of timeless architecture that feels both grand and inviting. Modern cubic forms frame the upper level, giving the home a contemporary edge that contrasts beautifully with the classic arches below. And what truly softens the entire facade are the cascading ivy vines that gently drape over the architecture, bringing life and texture to the clean lines. Driveway. Approaching the home, the driveway offers a quiet moment of transition from the outside world. Natural stone paving leads you toward the front gate, surrounded by carefully arranged greenery that adds a sense of calm and privacy. The landscaping here is intentionally minimal, allowing the architecture itself to remain the focal point. Everything feels balanced, simple, and quietly luxurious. Front yard. The front yard continues that feeling of elegance and restraint. Low hedges, soft white flowers, and structured greenery frame the pathway that leads to the entrance. Nothing feels overly decorative. Instead, every element is placed to enhance the symmetry and beauty of the home's facade. It's the kind of design that feels effortless, but clearly very intentional. Porch. As we step closer, the entry porch becomes one of the home's most striking features. The series of tall arches creates depth and shadow, giving the entrance a sculptural quality that feels both dramatic and welcoming. Climbing ivy wraps gently around the columns, softening the architecture and adding a touch of Mediterranean romance. It's the kind of entrance that immediately sets the tone for the home beyond. Entryway. Stepping inside, the entryway opens into a bright and airy foyer. Natural light pours through the tall windows, illuminating the soft, neutral palette that defines the interior. One of the most beautiful details here is the graceful, curved staircase that quietly draws the eye upward, creating a sense of movement and elegance. The space feels open, calm, and effortlessly refined. Living room. From the foyer, the home flows naturally into the main living room. Large floor-to-ceiling windows allow sunlight to flood the space, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere throughout the day. The design is intentionally minimal, Neutral tones, soft textures, and carefully chosen furnishings that prioritize comfort without sacrificing style. It's a living space designed for both quiet mornings and relaxed evenings with family and friends. Dining room. Just beyond the living area, the dining room offers a beautifully simple place to gather. A natural wood dining table anchors the room, surrounded by sleek modern chairs that add contrast to the otherwise soft palette. Large windows frame views of the greenery outside, bringing the outdoors into every meal shared here. The atmosphere feels intimate, yet open. Kitchen. The kitchen continues the home's theme of understated luxury. Warm cabinetry pairs with elegant marble countertops, creating a space that feels both modern and timeless. At the center, a spacious island becomes the natural gathering point, perfect for casual breakfasts, conversations, or preparing meals together. It's a kitchen designed not only for cooking, but for living. Pantry. Just off the kitchen, the pantry offers a beautifully organized extension of the space. Open wooden shelving and glass storage jars create a sense of order, while maintaining the same warm aesthetic found throughout the home. Even functional spaces here feel carefully considered. Bedroom. Moving upstairs, the primary bedroom offers a peaceful retreat from the rest of the home. Large windows allow natural light to fill the room, while soft curtains gently diffuse the brightness. Neutral linens and natural textures create a calming environment that encourages rest and relaxation. Everything here is designed for quiet comfort. Closet. Connected to the bedroom, the walk-in closet provides generous storage while maintaining the home's refined design language. Custom cabinetry, soft lighting, and clean lines make the space feel more like a boutique dressing room than a traditional closet. Bathroom. The primary bathroom continues the spa-like atmosphere. A freestanding bathtub sits near a large window, offering a serene place to unwind while natural light fills the space. Stone textures, warm tones, and minimal detailing keep the design feeling calm and luxurious. Office. Back on the main level, the home office offers a quiet place for work or creative focus. Positioned near large windows, the room benefits from plenty of natural light and peaceful views of the surrounding greenery. It's a workspace designed to inspire productivity without feeling isolated from the home. library. Nearby, a cozy library creates the perfect corner for slower moments. Built-in bookshelves frame the walls, while warm lighting and comfortable seating invite you to sit down with a good book. It's a small but beautiful reminder that a well-designed home also creates space for stillness. Patio. Stepping outside again, the patio connects the indoor living spaces with the garden beyond. Outdoor seating areas provide a relaxed setting for morning coffee or evening conversations. Surrounded by greenery and soft textures, the patio feels like a natural extension of the home's interior. Backyard. The backyard opens into a peaceful private garden. A wide lawn and thoughtfully placed plants create a tranquil outdoor environment where the architecture and landscape exist in harmony. From this angle, the home's clean lines and tall windows reveal a completely different perspective of the design. And that's the magic of thoughtful design. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this elegant modern Mediterranean home. If you enjoyed this experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more beautiful spaces with us here on Sephia Spaces.